Hi guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Cricut Joy so you can see what all comes in the box, and I hope you're in good focus. As you can see, the box is about, let's see, a little less than 10 by a little less than 8 inches. And like most Cricut stuff, it comes boxed in another box if you order directly from Cricut. So you see, I've already opened this little sticker right here. When you open it, you have some padding up here, and then first, front and center, you have your Cricut Joy. There we have it. Fits really nicely in my hands. There's a good weight, not too heavy. It has a little like plastic covering. I'm going to put this to the side over here. Then let's see what else we have. We have a little booklet. It says Open Me. So you can see I have not opened that part yet. And if we look in here, we have a little Let's Get Started guide that tells you how to set it up. Always go to Cricut.com/setup. During the setup, you're going to use your smart vinyl sample and your regular blade. Blade's probably already installed in the machine like it usually is. And then the smart vinyl sample will come in the same little booklet. And then we also have a little piece of, I want to say probably cardstock here to try out as well. Yes, a deluxe paper sample. And then there should be a fine point pen as well. And in this little booklet, whoops, I just dropped it, we have our regular mat. As you know, the Cricut Joy can work with the smart vinyl without a mat, or you can use the regular mat with any other material that you already have. Okay, let's put this to the side. Some safety instructions in here as well. Warranty statement, always really important so you know how long your warranty is. Has a 1-year warranty. To prove that you purchased it, I would say keep this together with your receipt just so you have it in case anything happens. Hopefully it doesn't, but just in case, you have it all together. Let's remove this portion, and then down here we can see our little charge cord for the Cricut Joy. And then, as promised, the Cricut Joy pen. There's specific pens for the Cricut Joy. The regular Cricut pens will not fit into it. And that is, as you can see, everything that comes with your Cricut Joy, everything that's in the box. I hope that was helpful for you. See you soon. Bye.